Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to collect and set up payments in HubSpot. If you're running a business and need a streamlined way to receive payments directly through your CRM, HubSpot's payment tools make this process incredibly simple and professional. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign in to your HubSpot account using your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to set up payment collection, as this will ensure all your payment data syncs with the right contact records and deals. After signing in, look to the left navigation bar and click on the Commerce option. This is HubSpot's central hub for all sales and payment-related activities. Clicking here will expand a menu with several commerce tools that help you manage transactions and revenue tracking directly within the platform. In the expanded menu that appears in the left sidebar, locate and click on Payment Links under the Commerce section. This is where you'll create and manage all the links you send to customers for collecting payments. It's a powerful feature that removes the need for third-party invoicing tools. If this is your first time setting up payments, you may be prompted with an option to create a payment link. Click on it and you'll see two choices appear. You can either use a blank template or start from an existing one. For full control and customization, choose the Use Blank option. This gives you a clean slate to build exactly what you need. Now you'll see the line items menu. Here you'll configure your default currency and add the specific line items you're charging or selling. This could be products, services, or any other offerings your business provides. Take your time to define each product or plan you want to collect payments for. You'll need to specify details like price, cadence, whether it's a one-time payment or a subscription, and tax settings if they apply to your business. Next, navigate to the top section of the Payments menu and click on the Settings tab. In this menu, you'll find options to add discount codes, select online payment channels, and include a checkout text box for customer notes or instructions. These settings help you customize the payment experience and make it more flexible for your customers. Once everything is configured, you can create a payment link or even set up a payment request template. This is especially useful if you plan to send payment requests directly from quotes or emails, keeping your workflow efficient and centralized. Finally, when you're finished setting everything up, click the Save button on the top right side of the screen. Your payment link is now ready to share with customers, and you can start collecting payments seamlessly through HubSpot. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.